Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create and customize your avatar on WhatsApp directly from your phone. Let's dive right into it. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Avatar and then select Create your avatar. Now, you can choose your skin color by tapping on the skin tone that best matches yours. Tap Next to proceed. Here's where the fun begins. Customize your avatar by selecting your hairstyle, clothing, body shape, eyes, and all other details to make it look just like you. Take your time to adjust everything to your liking. Once you're satisfied with your avatar, tap Done. Then, tap Save to save your changes. Next, tap Next again to review your avatar. You'll see your customized avatar displayed on the screen. Now you can set this avatar as your profile picture for WhatsApp. Tap Set as Profile Photo to make it official. And there you have it. That's how you can easily create and customize your avatar on WhatsApp using your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.